In particular, there is the problem of explaining the fine structure constant, the number 137, which plays an important role in physics. And the question is, why should it be 137 instead of some other number? That has not been explained at all, and I feel that it is necessary to get an explanation of that before one will make an important advance in understanding atomic theory.
The fine structure constant is one of them. Also the relation between weak and strong interaction. For strong interaction, perhaps you can say the constant is nearly 1.
Yes,
it's really
yes.
perhaps 1. Then the mass, the proportion of the masses, electron mass, proton, neutron mass. I think that's the other problem.
That is
These two problems will be connected, I think.
Probably, yes. There is quite a different problem of the ratio of the mass of the proton to the mass of the electron. And the question is whether the ratio of these masses remains constant or whether it develops slowly with time. People are now looking into this problem,